Okay. This is one of the projects I'm going to do. Assemble this. Now, instead of the compass that comes in here, I'm going to be using this. It's air-filled, and it's actually accurate, it won't leak, and for the knife, I think I'm going to do this one. The faux OTF. Let me just... Yeah, as you know, it's a faux OTF. It's actually a flipper. So yeah. This does have a thing for whatever, so let's get to assembling. It's also... Okay. It's also inventory day for my bag that's over here. Yeah, might as well. Oh. Oh, I forgot I had one of these. I have better gloves. So yeah. I have a better one of these, but I'll put that in there. Okay. This is how big the bag is. A day pack. Open. That's not good. What I'm doing is I'm putting the smaller items in the front pocket. I put the shelter right here in the back, in this little pocket there. Okay, so we put this right here. Then I'll put this right here also. Okay. Also, I'm going to put drinks right here if I can. So yeah, let's do this. What is this? Oh, that's that. You know what? Yeah, let's just take this out and take this right here. There's things on the inside which are pretty good. Does this actually do anything? Yeah, there's things right here I could put whatever in. So I'm gonna put. Oh, no, I'm gonna put this. No, I'm gonna do it on the box. Oh wait, no, I can use this if this is one. Okay, there's like little molly webbing thing in here, which is pretty good. This is gonna be pocket. No, let's just put this right here. I decided I'm gonna be using the small little multi-tool because it's in it, but I will carry my good one with me too. That'll be pockets. This will be just in case. Okay, let's just put this. The other one. Where do we go? Here. Here and here. Here we go. Putting this where the emergency shelter is. Putting these emergency shelter. The things I can put in the back, I'm going to put in the back from here. Where the emergency shelter is, there's a little pouch. Put this right here on this side. Okay, let's put this, let's just clip this into one of these right here. Right here. Let's wait till after. I would put this behind here, the poncho behind here. Instead of this, I'm going to actually be upgrading by putting my life gear crate light in there. I will put this in here. Right here. This is put the first aid. No, I want to see what's in the first aid kit real quick. I don't think I've actually seen it. Okay. Bandages, pads, blah blah blah. Okay. I will be putting, of course, a chapstick in here. No, what I could do, since I have the option for it, a Cormax. That's what it's called. Let's put this right here. And here we go. Yeah. And pause for a second to get the thing I need to get. This will also be with my, I have it to where like inconspicuous. So, yeah. Pause real quick. This. Then go up there. Is that right? This is going to be a pain in the butt since Healy. Do. Yes, I have been listening to Fantara. Oh wait, no. You do this. Yeah, you do this. I believe I'm mistaken. This is unintentional SMA or. I'm trying to close between how the heck do I get this? How do you have it on the box? They don't. Anyway, okay. Read that. You take this love. Wait, do I? No, I do this, don't I? I believe so. And I do this. This up, put this right here, through here. I'm assuming anyway. It's gonna be in my vehicle anyway, so it's like doesn't matter. Is it gonna be in my vehicle, so it doesn't really matter? Yeah, good enough for me. Now this is gonna be in my vehicle, so it's like, Anyway. I do this. I do the knot thing like this because why not? You put this through here. If I can see. Aha, here we go. And then you do that. Okay. And let's test out the rigidity. I could honestly do like this and be good. Yeah. So yeah. You know what? I'm gonna put the little hatchet I have in here anyway. Why not? So yeah. So that's done. All I gotta do is throw in these little boxes. Or right now, just put the stuff in this until otherwise I can get to it. I'm putting better gloves on here. I have way better gloves. So those are food service gloves. I have medical grade gloves that are actually in a package. By the way, the compass is let me see if I can put anything else in here. That was always just in case there was any oil on any of the stuff. I have a better, cheapo, you had to have nails to do this. You know what I'm thinking? I'm gonna put this in here because why not? And maybe this just to have a decent whistle. Actually, no, wait, that's already a decent whistle. So I might put this in here just because I want to. I'll put this in here. No. I already have two. Okay, the reason I didn't put the other one in because it requires batteries, and if I had to be in a survival situation, yeah, I don't want batteries. By the way, the pen from this or from that, I'm actually using for something. I'm actually using it as a pen. So yeah. So anyway, this could go. Oh. Hey, lie. Let me see what. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah, it's gonna be good enough for me. So, yeah. Let's put this in here. So anyway, now on to my inventory. Where's the bag? No, we can just put this right there and be good. Anyway, Hobo Survival Kit. Anyway, peace.